Welcome to Ambient Tutorials. Today, Günther will show you how to clean and maintain a QuickPole Series 5 boom pole so that it feels like new afterwards. This is what you need for it: our Ambient QuickPole Repair Kit, rubbing alcohol, acetone, paper towels, a cotton stick and a box cutter. Let's go! To begin, unscrew the locks completely to disassemble the QuickPole into its 5 individual segments. Take off the rubber end part. Then take off the serration. To do so, carefully press the gap apart. The locks, on the other hand, you can simply pull off. Now remove all 4 rubber compression rings from the threads. Then remove the white spacer tape and the Velcro felt. Especially the latter may well require some effort. Measure and remember the distances between the 2 tapes so that you can later reapply the new tapes correctly. Now it's time for cleaning. Soak a paper towel in rubbing alcohol and thoroughly clean the thread and the whole segment. Do not skimp on the rubbing alcohol. Especially areas with adhesive residues can be difficult to clean. If necessary, use a box cutter and carefully scrape off the residue. When all segments are shiny again, please also clean the locks and serrations thoroughly from the inside and outside. Before reassembling, you should first clean the work surface and your hands well. It is also best to give the individual segments a final cleaning. Now it's time for assembly. First, put the locks and the serrations back onto the segments. After that, the acetone comes into play. Drip it onto a paper towel and rub it into the areas where Velcro felt and space tape will be applied. Start with the Velcro felt. In the QuickPole Repair Kit, there are cut-to-size parts. The shortest part is for the thinnest segment, the longest part for the thickest segment. The felt must be attached straight with the end of the segment. Same applies to the spacer tape that you can now reattach at the same distance from the Velcro felt as before. Perform this step one after another for all segments. Afterwards, attach the new black rubber compression rings to the threads. Then take the cotton stick and the small tube of grease. Use the stick to apply a generous amount of grease to the thread. Followed by a searching look inside the carbon segment. If there are impurities, please clean now. Our special silicone oil will now give the boom pole the final touch of smoothness. Carefully drizzle it all around the Velcro felt. Now you can put the segments back together again. Our innovative serration will automatically fall into place. Then you can tighten the lock. Again, proceed segment by segment. Finally, attach the rubber end piece and place the new leather ring on the tip. You can use the remaining silicone oil to rub in the surface of the QuickPole. And here we go. Your QuickPole Series 5 boom is as good as new. And now listen. Sounds great, doesn't it? Thanks for watching and happy booming!